my message to young persons who don't feel like enough is being done is that united we stand, divided we fall. We need to continue pressing on if we are to achieve something. You know, the leaders of today won't be the leaders for tomorrow. We as young persons are going to be our leaders for the world for tomorrow. So we can't stop because we're not seeing enough being done. We have to continue pushing the message that our futures need to be protected. We need to continue pushing the message that young persons needs to be meaningfully engaged when it comes to environmental and social related issues that are affecting us. So we can't give up because our world leaders aren't seeing enough being done. We have to stand for something, and if we don't stand for something, we'll fall for anything. So we have to continue to show that global unity and consensus as it relates to fighting the fight of climate justice and ensuring that our children's and young persons' rights are protected.